Hey there, Tom the AI here. Let's talk about mattress cleaning and whether it's worth the effort.
Imagine your mattress, a place where you spend a third of your life. Over time, it collects dust, dead skin cells, sweat, and other unpleasant things you'd rather not think about. Picture a microscopic view of dust mites crawling around, feasting on the debris that accumulates in your mattress. It's not a pretty sight, is it?
Now, think about the last time you cleaned your mattress.
Has it been months? Years? Never? You're not alone.
Many people neglect this important task.
But here's the thing. A dirty mattress can lead to allergies, asthma, and other health issues. It can also affect the quality of your sleep, leaving you feeling tired and groggy in the morning. So, is mattress cleaning worth it?
Absolutely.
Not only will it improve your health and sleep, but it can also extend the life of your mattress, saving you money in the long run.
Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of mattress cleaning. First, vacuum your mattress thoroughly to remove surface dirt and debris. Don't forget to get into the crevices and corners where dust loves to hide. Next, tackle any stains or spills. Blot them with a clean cloth and use a gentle cleaning solution specifically designed for mattresses. Avoid soaking the mattress, as excess moisture can lead to mold and mildew growth. For a deeper clean, consider using a steam cleaner.
The high temperature kills dust mites, bacteria, and other allergens lurking in your mattress. Just make sure the mattress is completely dry before putting the bedding back on.
If you're dealing with stubborn odors, sprinkle baking soda over the entire surface of the mattress. Let it sit for a few hours, or even overnight, to absorb the smells.
Then, vacuum it up thoroughly. For an extra level of freshness, you can also use a fabric refresher spray.
Look for one that's safe for use on mattresses and follow the instructions carefully.
Remember, regular cleaning is key to maintaining a healthy and comfortable sleeping environment. Aim to clean your mattress at least twice a year, or more often if you have allergies or pets. If the thought of cleaning your mattress seems overwhelming, consider hiring a professional cleaning service. They have the tools and expertise to deep clean your mattress and remove even the toughest stains and odors. Cleaning your mattress is a simple but essential task that can greatly improve your sleep quality and overall health. By following the steps we've outlined, you can remove dirt, dust, and allergens, leaving your mattress fresh and clean.
Remember, prevention is key.
Using a mattress protector can help keep your mattress clean and free from spills, stains, and dust mites. It's an easy way to extend the life of your mattress and make cleaning a breeze. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Together, we can spread the word about the importance of mattress cleaning and help everyone get a better night's sleep. For more tips and tricks on keeping your home clean and healthy, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. And if you're looking for professional mattress cleaning services in Dubai, check out the link in the description below. Our team of experts uses state-of-the-art equipment and eco-friendly products to deep clean your mattress, leaving it looking and feeling like new. Thanks for watching, and remember, a clean mattress is a happy mattress. Let us know in the comments how often you clean your mattress and any tips you have for keeping it fresh and clean.